Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M14 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off predictive text on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access General Management. Now click on Samsung Keyboard Settings and tap on this switcher next to Predictive Text to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!